guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're making this origami Christmas tree. I've been making this for it's my 4th year now. For my friends and family, I just really like this. I wouldn't say it's easy. Yes, it is kind of time consuming, but once you get the hang of it, I just end up watching YouTube while making origami Christmas trees. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. There are 2 ways to make those origami Christmas trees. One way is to use the normal origami paper, one-sided, or use 2-sided origami or print it out double-sided like I did. Either way, you'll get your hands dirty from the printed paper's ink. You'll need a paper strip for the star, 1 15 by 15 centimeter paper for the tree trunk, and 4 pieces of different size paper for the leaves. See measurements for inspiration. First, you're taking the tree trunk paper and folding it into this shape. Press it into this mountain shape. And here is what we are doing next. Basically, you're folding the paper into these thirds, then divide them again and fold them back to get this. Then you'll need to repeat this on the other 3 sides. After that, pull the folds back into this mountain shape. Here you'll need to pull these 2 sides out, or the 2 sides without the dotted lines on the black icon. Then you'll need to do something like this. Basically, the lines without the dotted lines are bumping up, and the lines with the dotted lines are bent down. Again, you'll need to repeat this another 3 times. And you are done with the tree trunk. Moving on to the loose part of the Christmas tree, again fold the paper into this shape. And into this mountain shape again. But this time, if you're using one-sided origami paper instead of folding it with the colorful side, you will want to fold with the blank side. Because the Christmas tree is 3D, so the bottom side would be white and the top side would be colorful. Anyways, going back to the folding, you'll want to fold the sides like so, and repeat it 3 times so you'll get this. Alright, here once you've gotten into this shape, fold the flap up like this. Remember the pointy part is where the opening is. And repeat it 3 times. At last, get it back into this mountain shape. And you should see those marks. Here you'll want to press the middle part down, push it back, and fold it down to get this. Repeat it as usual. Here, don't forget to do what I'm doing right now or else your leaf won't shape later on. To shape your leaf, push the large middle parts out. You'll later on get this and press it in. Flip it around and you'll see the colorful leaf. To make your leaf come alive, press out these folded lines into the length you want. And I promise you this is the last time you'll repeat it 3 times. Anyways, here's my way of making a star. Take the corners and align it with the long edge of the paper. Fold it to your top left edge like so. And keep turning and folding it along the top left edge. By the way, you'll understand this better by watching it a few times, or you can also check out the link down below, and who knows if I'll put it up there on the screen on how to fold a star. Anyways, just tuck in the excess into a pocket of the star. If there's more, just tuck it in once again. Then press the star in with your fingers. If you wonder how you'll get all the parts together, you know, I like to glue them together. If you don't, it's gonna fall off anyways. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the button down below for my future videos. Anyways, bye!